Okay, Diva, so jumping right in, today we have a 16-inch body wave headband unit. I am going to go ahead and unbox everything. So it did come with some headbands and of course the unit. So here is the unit. It is really beautiful, very nice quality, very natural density, and the unit is constructed very nice. It has the standard construction with the combs as well as the Velcro, as you've seen in the standard headband units. So the hair is pretty nice. I love the quality, but I do feel like this is a very, very natural density. I did curl the hair and stuff off camera and did a couple styles, but of course I'll finish out with my closing thoughts. Okay, Divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this unit, I am here to tell you guys how I feel about it. So let's just jump right in. I definitely feel like this is a very pretty throw on and go wig. However, it's not like my taste because it is a supernatural density. And you guys know I love big, bold, fabulous hair, okay? So this is not going to be something that is going to be my speed, but I definitely feel like it's for the everyday girl. So it's definitely really beautiful. It has nice quality, but the density is just not there for me. So, and if you are interested, I will leave the information in the description box below. I am so sorry, Divas. I did not realize that I did not record an outro, but please go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you did like this video. Be sure to leave me a comment down below and subscribe and hit the notification bell. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.